He's also the lone congressional representative from the Sarangani province in the Philippines. His 18-year pro career has earned him 8 world titles.
Sit over here. That's for you. I'm Freddie, this one's yours.
I'm more motivated for this fight, to win the fight, because of what happened in the Philippines, my countrymen. I want to make them happy, to bring honor to my country. That's right. The fight on Sunday is very special, and it gives me more motivation to win the fight. And this fight is dedicated to all the families who are affected by typhoon in the Philippines. So, and thank you also for the government of China for helping our people, our country. Yes, I have a plan of that, but even the fight is not yet done. I already sent my people there to give them relief goods. So they are now in the area giving the relief goods. So, but my plan is to visit them personally and bring more help for them.
If you're fans of Brandon Rios， 大家可以繼續支持多啲，去捐贈去。
We know Pacquiao that he was a guy with a helping hand. Maybe if after he wins, he will go in Tacloban to help these people. Yeah, Pacquiao is good.